Dear children, we are about to start our third chapter, that is coordinate geometry. In this chapter, we shall study to locate the coordinates of a point in a plane. We shall also learn about the plotting the point in the plane, that is called Cartesian plane. In the 17th century, French mathematician René Descartes developed the idea of describing the position of a point in a plane. His method was a development of the older idea of latitude and longitude. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is also called as Cartesian geometry. Now let us see some of the points. Now here we are. Suppose this is horizontal line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. X-axis. And this is called vertical line. Vertical line is called y-axis. Where both these lines intersect is called origin. This is called origin. Okay? This is number line, horizontal number line. You know, on this side there is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, infinity. Here also there is infinity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will go on. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will go on infinity up, positive, down it is negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, it is negative. See? This is graph. Graph looks like this. You have seen it in your lower classes. Okay? Now let's see. This horizontal line x-axis, this is vertical line called y-axis. This divides the plane into this plane, Cartesian plane or coordinate plane into four parts. This is origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. These are all equal length. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and this is -7. Right? Now these are all equal units. Suppose we have a point A is equal to 2, 4. Let's see how to plot. A is equal to 2. This is x-axis. First we always take x coordinate and then y is equal to, this is here. This is here. In rectangular coordinate system, this is called 2, 4. This coordinate, two terms is called 2, 4. This is A. Suppose x coordinate is called abscissa. X coordinate is called abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate. Y coordinate is called ordinate. Suppose B point is there. This is -3 and 5. -3 and 5. This is -3 and 5. This is called B point. Abscissa is -3 and ordinate is 5. One more C point if I am taking is -2, -3, -2 and -3. -2 and -3. This is C point, -2 and -3. D point D point is suppose we are taking 7 1. X is equal to first X. This is 7 and minus 1. I am sorry, minus 1. Minus 1. This is D point, 7 and minus 1. Another thing, very important thing is that this lines divide the coordinate plane into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 anti-clockwise. These 4 parts are called quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. First quadrant is positive, quadrant number 1. This here we have X also positive and Y also positive. This is second quadrant. Here X is negative and Y is positive. There is third quadrant, 1, 2, 3. Third quadrant, X is negative and Y is also negative. This is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, X is positive and Y is negative. So the coordinate in coordinate system or Cartesian plane, these two axes, X axis and Y axis, this divides the Cartesian plane into 4 parts, and these 4 parts are called quadrants. First quadrant positive positive, second quadrant negative positive, third quadrant negative negative, and fourth quadrant positive negative. Now according to you, what will be the coordinates of origin? Coordinate of origin is 0 0. Coordinate of origin is 0 comma 0. First we always write X coordinate, then we write Y coordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa, Y coordinate is called ordinate. And I want you to do 3.2 exercise complete. What we have drawn on the board, that you will draw it in your fair copy, and also you will do exercise number 3.2 complete.